Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be painting this beautiful cute little birdhouse. Now before you ask me, is it made out of wood? Yes, this is pure wood. See? And another question, why is the roof already red? Well, I am going to explain. So I was recording this video not too long ago, and the camera died after I painted the roof, and I had to start all over. Bummer. But anyways, now that the roof's all done magically, so what I'm planning to do with the base of this is I'm not going to paint the entire thing. What I'm planning to do is just like add some flowers and some grass all around this. That'll make it real cute. So yeah. Okay, so here is one of my tutorials on making flowers. Okay, so what you're gonna do first is you're gonna grab your light green. Then you're gonna dip your brush into some water. I have some over here. Oh my. That was unexpected. See, it's wet. And now I am going to grab some of my green paint, and I am going to make a little line. Oh, by the way, be sure to ask a grown-up if you could paint for the younger ones, because paint can get a little bit messy, but luckily messiness is the fun in baking and art. I think I might have made it too wet. Okay, so maybe not put that much water as I did on mine. But anyways, now I'm going to make some grass by just making tiny little lines, just like that. Yeah, that's good, that's good. I like it. All right, perfect. So I'll keep on doing that. Maybe on some of the flowers, maybe you could add some leaves, because that's what are on some flowers. I think that's cute. Yes, I love it. Okay, so for this flower, I am going to go ahead and make it a daisy. So I am going to grab my white. Let's see if I have any. Yep, I still have some white. So I'm going to get a dip of this. I'm gonna hold it so that my painting is steady. Be sure to ask a grown-up for help whenever you're doing a project that involves sharp stuff. Maybe it could be a little hard. Maybe it requires tools. I don't know. Just anything like that. So yeah. Okay, I don't know if you could see, but I put some white on there. And so far it's going good. Make the petals a little more thicker, seeable. Like that. I think I'm gonna add some more texture to it. Whatever makes it look good needs to stay there. Whatever doesn't look good needs to be fixed. Well, mistakes are the best part of doing something. Well, most of the time. Because mistakes, you learn from them. And learning is a great thing. People may think that it's boring, but it's actually really important. And once again, like I said, it's great. I love learning. It's fun. It's okay if your flower doesn't look right. Once again, mistakes are learning. Learning is great. So that's my flower right there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. So I'm going to grab my yellow to make that middle piece inside of a flower, where the bees go get their pollen. I can't remember what it's called, so I'll leave it to you guys in the comments to remind me. What is it called? Okay, so that is my tutorial for making a flower. I think I'm gonna add one more leaf, so I'm gonna open up my green. Perfect. Well, to be honest with you, there's no such a thing as perfect. So I should just say excellent. There's no such a thing as the perfect anything. Okay. I'm gonna make a small little plant right here. Maybe like a little sprout. And this one, I am going to make it a tulip. Because tulips are beautiful. Oh, that reminds me of a joke. Joke time. This is gonna be great. What do you call a flower with a mouth? It's a tulip. Get it? On your mouth, you have two lips. You know what? I'm just going to keep painting. Paint, 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 paint. So I'm going to make sort of a like this shape. And now I am going to dip it into water to clean it. All right, good, good. And then I am going to grab a darker pink, sort of like a magenta, to fill that middle part. Or, of course, you could keep it like that. Yay! I think that's pretty good. Now it's time to make more grass. Alright, so as you could see here, I just made a huge, big old, beautiful sunflower. As you could see, I ran out of wood over here, so it's the hole. But that's okay. And now I'm gonna make the leaves that you find on them. And that's cute, I love it. More grass. So in case you're wondering, I am using the crisscross technique to make the grass, which is basically you going crisscross, crisscross. and I liked it. But for a little bit more beauty, a little bit more beautifulness, I am going to take this brush that we used for the roof, and I'm going to make different shades of grass because it's creativity at its finest. So I am going to get a little bit of a darker shade, this one. Remember to close the other paints well. And I am going to use the crisscross technique in some of the places. Good, good, good. I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, I love it. Okay, and to make it even more bright and colorful, I am going to add some cute little bees. Now, you may disagree with this option, and that's okay, but please just don't tell me in the comments. So, I am going to make this a little bee. So first, they're gonna start out as little yellow dots, and then once they've dried, I'm gonna add the bee stripes. So 3 little cutie patootie bees in place. Yay! Alright, now the other side. And I am going to do this off camera because I feel like it's going to be too long. See you in a moment. Perfect. So far, so good. I am making many different kinds of flowers. In all shapes and all sizes as well. Because there are over 1 million types of flowers in the world. So yeah. So I am just making this one. And now I have to make another one. Okay, so for my first flower on the back, I am going to be making one of those dead dandelions. I know that sounds kind of brutal, but they're the ones that you blow, like with the white things, and then the white old dead petals, they just blow away. And I think that is very soothing, so I am going to make that. Because soothing and calming things are great for Zen. So I am just gonna make it rapid. I'm still trying to make it seeable. There we go. Do. And then we could make the little things that come out. Good, pretty. And I'm just gonna make it blowing from all sorts of places. Yay, I love it. Now I'm going to clean my brush, dip it into some water. Pops out so noisy. And there's tail paint on it. Hold on. Alright, so I'm going to be making some small little flower petals on these. So I'm going to use the end of my brush and just dab on all the little flowers. I think that'll look cute. Okay, there we go. All done. Perfect. Now moving on. Alright, there we go. I think it came out pretty cute. Now, for the bees, I'm going to use my smallest brush, the back of it, and I'm going to be painting on the stripes. Oh yeah, bees. Bees actually help flowers grow, in case you didn't know that. So they're pretty important. This one still needs a little bit more drying, but I think it's pretty good. Tiny bee, here you go. I think that's coming out pretty good. I'm definitely gonna add a second coat of all of this. I have to say, everyone, this is fun. Don't you agree? Write down in the comments. Oh, I love it. I mean, just take a look at it from afar. Don't you love it? Okay, so I am going to finish adding the detail here and here and stinger and stinger, and that is all of them. Oh wait, I missed one. You know what? Let's make it. Alright, good. Now I am going to get some white for our bee wings. My hands are super dirty. Look at this. Look at it. Whoa! Oh no, messy hand infestation. And here we go. I like it. I made all the bees with wings. And now I am going to have us make a heart by finger painting. Yes, I got my finger. So I'll just make a heart right here. I am an excellent finger painter. I've been doing it ever since I was younger. Warning, finger painting is pretty messy. So now I'm going to grab more, and I just want to decorate this thing right here. Yeah, that's cute. Alright, and now to finish this all off, I am gonna go ahead and take this and just put it all around here, all around the edges. Good, good. And there we have it, folks. our beautiful finger painted, well, everything painted birdhouse. Now let's take a look at it. If you liked it, please leave a like or subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Happy spring!